Have you ever felt like you're meant to do something great in life, but you just can't figure out what that is? Like there's a hidden spark inside you, waiting to light up the world, but it hasn't been discovered yet? Maybe you look around and see people chasing their dreams, building their own paths, and making money from what they love, and you wonder, why not me? Why can't I find my own talent? What am I even good at? You go to sleep every night feeling like you're stuck in a loop, waking up, working, surviving, but not really living. That feeling eats at you. It's like you're watching the world move forward while you're standing still. But let me tell you something important. Every single person in this world has a unique gift inside them. Yes, even you. Even if you feel ordinary. Even if you failed 100 times. Even if you've never won a single medal, award, or competition. That doesn't mean you don't have talent, it just means you haven't discovered it yet. And what if I told you that your talent is already inside you, and all you have to do is uncover it? What if your entire life could change just by paying attention to the things you love, the things that come easy to you, the things that make you lose track of time? You see, most people don't even realize that talent is not always something flashy. It's not always about being a great singer, a fast runner, or a brilliant artist. Talent can be quiet, it can be simple. It can be hidden in your daily life. Maybe you're the one your friends come to when they feel down because you always know what to say. Maybe you fix things without even thinking about it. Maybe you write in your notebook when no one's watching. Maybe you organize your room in a way that calms your mind. These little things, these quiet things, could be your greatest gifts. But here's the problem. We grow up in a world that teaches us to fit in, not to stand out. We're told to follow the rules, go to school, get a job, stay safe, and in the middle of all that noise, we forget to listen to ourselves. We forget to ask, what makes me come alive? And that's where the journey starts. When you stop trying to be like everyone else and start looking within. So how do you actually find your talent? Start by paying attention. What are the things you enjoy doing, even when you're tired? What are the things that give you energy instead of draining it? What do people compliment you on without you even trying? What are the skills you use naturally that others find hard? Write those things down. Keep a journal. Talk to people who know you well and ask them, what do you think I'm good at? Sometimes others see what we don't. Then start trying things. Try a new hobby. Take an online class. Volunteer. Teach something. Build something. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start. Because when you try new things, you give your talent space to breathe, and slowly, like a plant growing in sunlight, it starts to show. You begin to feel it. That feeling of alignment. Like, yes, this is me. This feels right. And once you find it, once you get even a glimpse of what you're good at, the next step is to grow it. Study it. Practice it. Learn from others who have the same gift. Surround yourself with inspiration. Make time every day, even just 15 minutes, to work on it. Because your talent is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And then comes the exciting part, turning your talent into income. It doesn't have to happen overnight. But in today's world, there are more ways than ever to earn from what you love. You can start a YouTube channel. Sell your skills on freelancing sites, create a product, teach others, offer a service, write a blog, post on social media, coach, guide, help, create. People everywhere are making money not just from working hard, but from working smart, from working with passion, from doing what they're naturally good at. You don't have to be a millionaire. You just have to start. Start by offering your gift to one person, then 2, then 10, then the world. And here's a secret. When you use your gift to help others, you feel rich inside, fulfilled, alive. Like your life has meaning. And when you feel that, the money becomes a bonus. It's not about chasing success. It's about creating something real, something that matters, something that reflects who you are. So don't let fear hold you back. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Start with what you have, where you are. Because your gift is not in the future. It's already inside you. You just have to see it, believe in it, and grow it. Remember, even the biggest trees started as small seeds. So plant your seed today. Water it with action, feed it with belief, protect it from doubt, and watch it grow. You are not here just to exist. You are here to shine. You are here to inspire. You are here to give the world something only you can give. And the first step is believing that you have something worth giving, because you do. And even if the world doesn't see it yet, you must. Because every person who ever made it started with a small belief, a quiet hope, a brave step. And that can be you too. This is your time. This is your moment. Don't waste it. Don't bury your gift. Let it out. Let it breathe. Let it fly. And trust that it will take you somewhere beautiful. Because when you follow your talent, you follow your truth. And when you follow your truth, you can never go wrong. You can stumble. You can fall, but you will always grow. And that is what life is really about. Growth, becoming, evolving. So take that step. Try that thing. Say yes to your gift. And one day you'll look back and smile, because you'll know you didn't just live, you grew. And that is the real success. The strong life lesson is this: your talent is your compass. When you follow it, it leads you to a life full of purpose, passion, and peace. And the moral of this story is simple: your gift is not just for you, it's for the world. Don't hide it. Share it. Let it change your life. Let it change others. Now, if you felt inspired, if this message touched your heart, then join our journey here on How to Grow. Like this video if it made you feel something. Subscribe so you never miss a chance to grow with us, and comment below what talent you think is waiting inside you. Let's grow together. Let's believe in each other. Let's become who we were born to be. Because here, on How to Grow, we don't just chase dreams. We grow them.